Game-Nade!
Alright, yeah. Okay, there we go. Alright, go. Okay, you can just get in. God. Hold on, I'm itching my eye. I'm gonna get pink eye now. You supposed to drive down there?
I don't think.
Ah, yeah, we are.
Chief, Bravo 22 was bringing us some heavy weapons. After I saw we were up against
All right.
hunters, I thought we could use them.
Stupidest thing I've
Let's move
seen.
down the beach. Keep an eye out for any
Are
we
you
can
sure? You have to drive now. I have a rocket launcher.
Oh. Alright.
Bye.
Kill.
You're leaving me.
Kill.
Didn't kill anything back here. They're all still alive.
Those guys.
Go! I have a rocket launcher. Free my soul. Doing.
Crap. I missed.
Go
So
up.
we gotta
Go up.
go up here.
You think this can stop me?
Well,
Oh god. Here, I'll drive. This is my drive. I'll save the rocket launcher for when we need it. Wink, wink. AKA, I'm quoting gay sex. Well, this has been an adventure, hasn't it?
get it out of here.
Alright, you gotta take it nice and easy. You gotta take it nice and easy. Oh! Oh! Oh my god.
You got it.
Oh! Oh! Oh, we did it!
Avoid that grenade, front.
No!
Long live the king.
Brother!
Stop! Help!
Hey, where's the other truck? I don't want that one anymore.
Oh, this one's the good one. Yeah, no. Get the other truck.
Crazy, yeah. Oh my god, that was difficult. Wanna see something cool? No, I like how this truck just doesn't take any damage whatsoever. Alright. I take it nice and slow. You gotta like molasses dripping off a spoon.
So
Then molasses drips off a spoon.
lucky I don't have any grenades.
Duh.
Do I?
Dame dare, dameru. Oh. Oh wait, are we supposed to be up here?
No. No. This was just a vantage point for the enemies.
Oh. Speed fire! You think we're supposed to go all the way back now? I'm gonna say they want us to go backwards. Maybe we need to go into the ocean.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, why can't... You know, I get it, this thing's like a huge circular planet, but like...
What about its huge and circular nature?
Why?
This planet.
Where are we supposed to go? Oh, wait, checkpoint. The enemies have already been notified their death. Die. You may no longer shoot cancer, it's against thy rules.
Even if I wanted to, I don't think I could.
Yeah, that's why it's called shotgun, because you're supposed to have a shotgun. We haven't even run into a shotgun. Oh god. There's two big guys up there. Uh-oh. 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 Bye-bye. Get through it, dude. Alright, I know what to do now.
Where are we?
We're back. Every group got the truck. Can you shoot now? Oh, I drive by them.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Oh. I'm coming for you. Whee! Deeper into the facility I go.
They're putting up a real fight. The cartographer must be. My analysis indicates that the map room should be at the bottom floor of this facility.
Are you in?
Let's keep going.
Oh, uh-oh. God, truck freak can't overcome.
Wait, I think I gotta get out.
Further beyond.
Grenade.
Alright, you work on that. I'll handle all these problems.
I'm working on it.
Been working on the railroad all live long day. Me literally mass murdering people. Truck freak. Is it getting through?
No.
Sure? Oh yeah, I can't even like... Oh, okay, hold on. Maybe I can back it out. Hold on, I gotta...
You have a grenade?
Oh yeah, I might. Hold on. Oh, okay, I'm here now. Side seat. Alright, I have a grenade, but I can't get back there. Can I jump on top and like try to get in the turret? Or can I back out?
Just back up.
Oh yeah, I can. Perfect. Alright. Push it in.
Oh,
Hey, drive it in. This has been like 4 minutes of us driving. Alright. The grenade from behind. Yeah, it's working! It's working! There's nothing the truck freak can't solve. Alright, I'm not gonna drive it
I don't
on.
wanna fucking...
I'm not gonna drive it on this ledge. Truck's right there. I should have driven it in here. Maybe if I... Oh! I just kicked off that Tic Tac box. What's up there?
Hey, truck.
Alright, hold on.
Why? There we go. This is my seat.
Alright. On next episode of Will Truck Freaks Prevail! I already killed these guys. Shoot them.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.